Hey guys, today we are going to talk about the views right there on the upper left of the screen. There's 10 of them each page. There's right there, you can see the view. That right arrow, you can click that one to change pages. To scroll to the pages like that. It's going up to 100. Once you reach 100 and you press the arrow button again or the arrow tab, it will go back to the first page like that. So now I'm gonna try the night view, which is that one. It's empty or blank screens. I recorded it like that and I name it night. And this one is page list, means page directory, and queue list directory only on the screen. Now let's try my show view. This is what I want to see on my screens, so I recorded it like this. I will show you later on how to create your own view and how to save it and how to rename the view. Now let's try to open the view directory. Just press and hold the open button, then touch the view tab on the upper center of the screen. The view directory will pop up on one of your screens. As you can see, there's a lot of them, just numbers on it, like so. Those are the view tabs, same as the one that you see on the directory. It means those are the blank views that you can record your own preference. Let me show you some example. You want to open position, so double tap the position button. The position directory will come out on that screen. Then next is color. Double tap on color button. The color directory will pop up on that screen. And then fixture or group. The group directory will pop up on that screen, on the left side of the screen. Then the effect directory. Now let's try to open up your queue stacks. All you have to do is press choose twice on top of the fader of the one that you want to see. For example, that one, fader number 8, that's the queue stack of it. And then let's say that you want to add the layout or the plots on the screen. Just press and hold the open button and then touch the plots tab on the right bottom corner of the screen, right there. You will then see the plots directory pop out. Top number 1, which is Joe's plot, the one that I created or recorded. Now let's say you like to transfer or to move the other directory into the other screen. You can do that by just simply tapping on the screen that you want to move. Once it's highlighted like that, it will turn to blue. Touch the move tab right there on top right of the screen. You will move to the different screen, to the external monitor, and just keep tapping the move button or the tab until you get it on the right screen where you want it to be. Now that you move the queue stack on the external left monitor, you have now empty slot on your main monitor and you want to put the page on it. Just double tap the page button. The page directory will pop out like that. You can also resize it using the cursor or the mouse pointer. Just put it on the corner and then hit the left button of the mouse and then drag it to resize. Now that it fit and you're happy, you may now record it or save it to the View tabs or View directory. Tap the right arrow next to the View tab to select an empty view. Let's say, for example, we're gonna record it on the View 12. Just press record on the keypad. You will see on the command line the record. Then hit view or touch view on the touch screen. You will now see a record view on the command line. Then press 12, enter. Now you will see the View 12 on the top left corner of the screen. Now if you want to rename the View 12 that you recorded, you can just hit and hold open from the keypad and touch view on the touch screen, or you can just double tap view and the view directory will pop out on the screen, and hit the guard first to make sure it's not gonna activate when you hit the View 12. After you tap V12 or View 12, press set on the hug keypad and then you can rename it using the keyboard, external keyboard, or if you don't have any external keyboard, you can also do that from the internal keyboard. Like for example this one, I put show and then hit enter. The View 12 now named show, and also there on the tab. Now let's say you don't have any external keyboard, just press set twice. There should be a internal keyboard pop out or built-in keyboard pop out on the screen. Now I will rename it to show 2 and then enter. Now you will notice it changed to show 2. That's the new name of your view. Okay, now let's give it a try. I'm gonna hit View 12, View 11, and this one is, yeah, it changed the view on the screens. Now let's try View 12, the one that we recorded. It looks work for me. See, all the screens that you wanted to see has been recorded on View 12. So guys, this is how to use View and how to record it. See you next one, guys. Thank you for watching.